Hey superhero, today we are unlocking my eyes control. When you press the switch, my eyes LED will light up. Ready for this coding mission? Let's go. Step 1. Wake up and get ready. Pin mode A0 input. Here, A0 is the connection point for button. And input is to check if the button is pressed. Step 2. Get my eyes ready. Now, we prepare Ironman's eyes. Pin mode 7 output. At D7, Ironman's eyes are connected, and output means glowing output of eyes. Step 3. Is the button pushed? Int button state equals digitalRead A0. DigitalRead checks whether button is on or off, which is saved in memory box called button state. Step 4. Light up my eyes. If button state is equal to high, digitalWrite 7 high means if the button is pressed high, then turn on LED to pin D7. Means Ironman's glowing eyes will be lighten up. Step 5. If button's not pressed, turn off the eyes. Else digitalWrite 7 low. If the button is not pressed, then turn off the LED. Means Ironman now turns eyes off. Let's have a quick summarization for this task. When Ironman powers up, he first sets up his button and eyes. Then, again and again, he checks, is my button pressed? If yes, his eyes light up bright, if no, his eyes stay dark. And he never stops checking, like a superhero, always in action mode. Here, A0 means button input, D7 means eyes LED, button high means LED on, and button low means LED off. Mission complete, superheroes. You pressed my secret button and powered up my glowing eyes. Now, you know how to control Ironman with your coding powers. Next time, we'll unlock even more super moves. Until then, keep coding like a hero.